Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI color palette feature in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on Filmora, and then as you can see, I have imported my video and I'm going to apply color palette to this video. To access the color palette feature, you can go to the color menu and you're going to scroll down until you find AI color palette. And you can activate it, and I have added two palettes to this AI color palette feature. And if you want to add new color palette, you can click on add, and then you're going to go to the local file and you can upload or import new photo to be the color palette. And wait guys, let me add for example this one. Okay, and then you can click on generate and the new palette will be added, and don't forget to click on save and apply. Okay, and you can change the color palette like this. And yeah, that's so cool, and it's free. This is one of the AI features that you can use for free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use AI color palette in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!